النابو عاص انرمس كمت النابو سرو انرمس كمت النابو وجع انرمس كمت النابو وجع سخرو انرمس كمت النابو انرمس كمت النابو تجعت انرمس كمت النابو شفت يمنا نرمس كمت النابو مري نرمس كمت النابو نخت نرمس كمت النابو رخت نرمس كمت النابو الحتاب نرمس كمت النابو نبت نرمس كمت انسخمو 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 انسخمو.
Hello everybody, good evening. How are you from the east coast of United States? Okay, this song and word you see and you listen to some artists in Egypt, they are Egyptian, I'm sure, who designed this music and that word and the language of our ancient Egyptian. Okay, so, and the word it said in English, okay, the one I was really, I get affected by it. I feel like my gene lived there at this second, at this time, as one of the regular Egyptian people during the time of building the pyramids and before that, okay? The name, the song, it said, we are everything. We are master of life. We are the master of power. We are the master of prosperity. We are the master of domination. We are the master of courage. We are the master of resilience. We are the master of glory. We are the master of ambition. We are the master of victory. We are the master of knowledge. We are the master of peace of heart. This time, I feel I'm living this time right now. The people discharge the religion and all these gods you see, symbol you see over there, they all of them were scientists. Scientists of all direction of physics, chemistry, biology, medical, builder, the real Masonic. If you ask about Masonic with this eye of God, looking at all of us, to see God, see everything within our soul. So I wanted to start with this song. When I am really today, I'm gonna explain to you the Grail of all physics, the Holy Grail of physics, matter and antimatter, the universe, as your scientific community say. And from my side, I will get what you miss inside, the other side, with the secret of my Egyptian, all right? That's why I call my vision in Hotop, the first polymath in the whole world. And I called his name Infinity, because there's no stamp for creation of anything in the universe, from our universe to every insect, to every particle, to every atom, without this stamp of infinity. This is the infinity, the stamp of our infinity, multiverse, friend, God, okay? So I am talking for the main logical unit, the one is hiding in the black hole of our universe, okay? It is over there, that's why nobody can see it. because the skull of our friend is death. All right? So, and I'm going to get you now dialogue. I'm going to talk to my friend in the sky when I am talking to you. So if there is dialogue, I'm going to talk with my conscious. He's in the center of my conscious. So I'm going to talk to him, and I will talk to him in the language we are familiar with each other with since my childhood. He's the most infinite, pure friend you will ever love. And he's in the center of your conscious. He's the one who carry our life. And here's, I'm gonna talk with the Holy Grail of physics and the creation of our God to marry them together. And I will start by doing that, okay? Everything in the universe, as the scientist said, start with pair of matter and antimatter, or plus and minus. And I found out, as I told you last time, when I told you dig in research, what is the logical, the history behind this digital number of 010101? And the ChatGPT, Gemini, everyone come to me with history of philosopher, scientists, just to try to develop this digital world little by little, but it has nothing to do with God or anything. For me, I am giving you this from God. This is the origin. That's why God, now, I'm gonna talk to him now. My friend, I know you are in the center of my consciousness. Can we talk? I know that we talk to me because we know each other very well. He will say, yes, my friend who gave me hard time when he gave his mommy hard time when he was growing up. I said, thank you very much, but let this start to God, okay? What do you think? Your universe started, I see, with you are 100%, you are perfect God. For multi-universe, infinity, multi-universe like that, it has to be perfect. You are eternal. You have experience eternal. So, with experience eternal, with your brain, you must have memory like infinity memory. So he looked at me and said, what do you think, guy? What do you think? You're exactly right. I have to be like that to control of this infinity universe. Do you think I'm gonna leave my universe, multi-universe, with that chance? I am eternal, and I'm giving you your eternity with my eternity. That's why I take your soul. When your body is not fit to carry your soul, I carry it to the destiny. So I am with you here. Ask me, you don't have to look for me anywhere. I am here. And Jesus told you I am here. Muhammad, your prophet, the one you discover how his religion is stolen by the devil. Go ahead, start. Okay, my God, thank you. Now, the scientific community said everything starts with plus and minus, positive and negative, matter and antimatter. God will tell me, I am the origin guy. Do you think I need matter? I am feeling. I am God. You know what you feel? I feel. You know what the bacteria you have in your stomach feel? I feel. You know what the galaxy feel? I feel. Every unit of life, it has energy, and nothing doesn't have energy. Only the universe is full of energy. It's life. Feeling, exactly. Positive and negative. Matter and antimatter. That's why when you looked, you found me. How you found me? You was imagining that they got my binary from me. They got it through the scientists. They developed thousands, but they never related to me. Even I am the origin. Yes, God, I am the origin. And he said, that's why you give me a hard time with your mom, but you see, we know your soul. We know very well that you are very clean. So continue. So everything, my God, so the death for me and the death of bacteria is the death of anything in the universe. When the universe dies, it is all called the black hole. He said, what do you think my wave's gonna be? Do you think I will have a skull like your skull? I have to be in the center of your skull, inside death, so I can guarantee to carry your soul somewhere. And I am with you since you started your life. I am the one who carried your mom and dad into you. But they are the one, they give me help. They have to do it. And the chances was always my stamp. If you find any stamp, not infinity, it is not me. And they will not find something, it's not infinity. So this means God, when the physics community say matter and the antimatter, you say exactly life and death. You said exactly. Pair of life and death. You get born life, and then your body, when you go to death. Your soul translates to another fit frame to fit what you did in your life, what the choices you choose. So let me do God now. When you say, since my feeling, it is like your feeling, the bacteria feeling, the universe feeling, all the same. So what is the difference between us, God, and you? See, are you really, when you ask this question, I say, of course, God, I have to know. Well, it's easy. The only one frame. I am the only one frame. Eternal. Infinity. Infinity size-wise. Infinity energy-wise. What else you want, God? You want me to be less than that? Sorry, God, no. I'm just joking. So watch out when you talk. You, the universe, and everything between, and all the other universes I have, they all in my infinity energy, my infinity dimension. Okay? So what else you want to ask me? So God, so you own the ultimate truth. That's right. I said, you crazy guy, again, if I don't own it, who's gonna own it? But do you know why? I said, of course, God, I've been your friend for a long time. Every unit of life, my friend God, it has three energy, the physics. They say it has positive, it has neutron, and the negative. I said, perfect. So why they say that you are stupid sometime? I said, they can say anything, God, as long as you know. So, what you gonna put me? Where are you gonna put me? I said, oh my gosh, if this question got any logical, the human being will put you with this free feeling you got, and you are 100%. You are the eternal. He said, okay, continue. So you must be God in the center of the neutral way. He said, oh, you are smart, my baby. I said, you see, God, I tell you. So, you know why? Because I have to know the ultimate truth. I have to be in the middle, in the center zero. So I see everything negative, I see everything positive, and I see from the center of the soul. I see your intention. Nobody, my universe, your universe, my infinity multiverse, bacteria, human, nobody understand the true the true, the 100% true. That means the intention. So I'm in the middle, and around me, the 33% neutral, middle way. And then the positive side and the negative side. That's why you good when you made this sign when I start to settle. You show the people 33 positive, 33 material, and then bigger a little bit because my logical unit in the middle of the neutral and the negative side. So you've done it perfect. So a total, all thing God, you are 100%. He said, of course. How about universe, God? You know, you should know that. You are really passionate. All your life, you love documentary. You know very well the total of the three. They are 99, 33 each. And the energy does not get divided. You cannot have an electron. You cannot. You cannot have a proton. You cannot. So it is for me, you jumbo's number, even number. That's why the three energy I got, main energy, neutral, positive, negative, 33, 33, 33. But there is one left, because you are not perfect. There is one left. So divide now. 100% me, God, your friend, and the 99. You see the result? One on the left. 1. Point 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. What do you think about the Bible? 0, 1, 0, 1 to infinity. That's why I don't understand why your scientists of matter in the universe, when they find any mass and the result in infinity, they said, oh my God, we must screw up. No, they did not screw up. They are right. Everything I created is infinity chance stamp. So, okay, God, now I got it. So let me now start, God, with this mean pair of life and death, which is in you, and you are unique. We all not unique, except you, because you are infinity. Energy and the infinity direction. So, God, now we have everything two lines, positive and negative, matter and antimatter. Example, my God. You see? You're going to talk to me and tell me, what did you say, God? He said, you know it very well. The pair of life and death. Nothing starts before the pair of life and death. Because you get born, life starts. Of the Big Bang. Your Big Bang. You come to life, Big Bang. And then when you die, you go to black hole. All unit of life. I know your scientific community, they see the galaxy. And they think that the black hole is not everywhere. It is everywhere. Everywhere. No single unit of life in our universe or multiverse without pair of life and death. Okay, God, so under this line of life and death, can we put everything? He said, put everything. I have myself as a God, infinity kind of feeling and the level of feeling. Okay? So, now all the other feelings go under this main life and death. So, what do you think? Give me example. Okay, God, I got this example. Life never go the pair without death. Love never go without hate. Health never go without illness. Peace never go without violence. True never go without dishonesty. Knowledge never goes without ignorance. Hope never go without despair. Happiness never go without misery. This and count God anything to infinity. He said exactly. But every frame you have, either your frame as a human, or galaxy, or earth, or bacteria, everyone limited with his body, except me, God. I am infinity. Okay? I said, okay, God. So now, God, please, can we put on the top of all this positive health, prosperity, good feeling? Can we put the angel on the top? I said, you will be stupid if you don't put the angel. Your life increase. You make your life longer. So all this other side of negative God, if I put address under death, I will say the devil side, the evil side. I said, of course. This is exactly that's why people, if they go with this lion, they die fast. It destructs their feeling. It destructs their energy. It destroys their life. It shortens it. You see, that's why I like you, my boy. So anyway, my friend, okay, let's talk about, so I know now the life of angel, the life of evil. Can we put some other sign, God? He said, of course we can put some other sign. What do you think? You want to be put on life and the love? We put peace? He said, of course, God. This is a life make us beautiful. Enlightenment. So, but look at the other side. War. The devil. What do you think? Can you put two swords? Two swords. Do you understand? Of course, God. So this is the road of evil. Evil always put my flag under flag of death. You see why Muslim Brotherhood you hate it? They are the most dangerous group in the civilization. Can you imagine? Can I make you laugh? Of course, God. I want to make people laugh. These people, you know how they control your country, because the guy, really, the evil guy who started this, his name is Hassan al-Banna. You know that I assign you as criminal detective in his area there, very close to his area. I said, you're right, God. I know. You remember how much I hated this job. Of course. I just want to explore you to this life. But you know, this guy started with some people, they don't understand how to read and write. But he got really the greed of becoming big. And the Turkish Empire was about to go with his evil forces. And this guy, he found a chance. And he started getting finance for the foreign agency or whatever. And they started getting big. You know how they control their country? Of course, I said, God, I start working. They are very soft. They excel. You don't feel them. They are secretive, evil. They got the text of the worst text of you, God. The worst text. Okay? The worst text, my God. See, that's why when I see their flag, and God, did you give them permission, the word ahidu, or prepare, or kill them wherever they go? This text, he said, you crazy boy, you know the fact. Do you think I am God? Give this to Uncle Trump, your uncle, the one really you laugh all the time when you see him, and you love some habit he got. When he make his kids, don't smoke, and don't put tattoo. You love him for that. And you love him, no drugs. You love him for that. I said, of course, God, I love him very much for this point. All right? So anyway, I'm going to give this text to the president of China or the CC, your president. The people I assign, I am the one who create them. Give them this power or give Hassan al-Banna this power. God. Can you imagine? Can I make you laugh, God? He said, of course, you made me laugh a lot. Can you imagine, God? They are in the United States, in control. They are aligning themselves in the Democratic Party. And you know, God, how they become professor in university. They come to colleges. They control everything because they are secret cell. They pay off to reach anything they want. They corrupt any testable system in the world. They get their way. That's why they are spread all over colleges, everywhere you can reach them. But they never, God, get any international recognition because they are not scientists. They steal everything. They steal possession to be in the power. And you know, God, can you imagine? You know how they look in the text about the homosexual or the transgender or whatever, or these people. You know, in the text, they killed them, they slaughtered them the first thing. He said, I know, but the people who's gay, they don't know that. They are hiding. The people, they're hiding, okay? They are hiding. It's the most dangerous organization in the whole world. So I wanted to watch out, and I wish your people, and you said it right, Benjamin Franklin is my man, as Galileo was my man, absolutely. And you're right, this four atheist guy you talked about in Europe, the one you like, you are right, because I'm the one who understands the ultimate truth. But these people, they know by their instincts what really was good for me and what's bad. It is all about you guys. You know why, boy? I love you, as Jesus said. Of course, God, I found out long time ago, because you are the only infinity, and you got infinity feeling, not like us. So you want to give us the feeling like you are our mom and our dad and everything. You love us all. You said exactly. But the people really, what the text that they follow, is not the text of Jesus really. They took the main idea and then they blew it. Like your grandfather Moses, his name is Moses, that's right. He's the darkest one in the family. I think. And I see in your gene, you have 1% from Nilite, and you have 1% from Ethiopia. Maybe he's originated there somewhere, okay? But I know, God, you are not going to tell me. I know I'm not going to tell you. All right? So, God, now, since we know this line and we know the situation now, what about, we started now, 1.010101. So this means that everything in the universe will start with 01. Like this, your soul, your wave, the one it carry everything. My soul, it represents exactly my soul, the soul of my God. If you, God, represent 1% of me. And the other 9%, the one you carry it into my soul from my mom and dad, and saw everything in the universe. I said, correct. You're right. So you see now the 01, you'll see it everywhere. As you see the 99, you remember the 99, the start? When you divide the 100% on 99, the 99, like 18, as Nikola Tesla, my baby. I know, God, he should be your baby. He was a victim of the manufacturing machine in the United States. He was a victim of all of them. All of them. I love him so much, my God. I didn't know, even the 369. Why you didn't tell me before so I can copy something from him? I said, no, for you, you earn everything. I always come to you to tell you, look, I'm giving you, I am right, you are right, you're not thinking. So always I come to you until you get the idea, and then I give you approval. I said, always you do this, God. I know that, I know. And you know your birthday, you will find it was 18, the real one. Because don't forget, I am not really, to be honest with you, yes, God saying, don't forget, I am never close to anybody. I am fair. You're all my creature. You see, you can take me even not by saying I am infinity and feel about you as any father or mother. The feeling of your mother and father toward all their kids, they love them all. They don't want them to fight with each other. They want them to solve their conflicts in peace. This I am. because all of you is my creature. So I want the same thing. That's why I love you. When you really, with a human being, you are really watching yourself, and you try to be beneficial to everybody. Like the bacteria, you learn your life from the bacteria, live in your body, the good bacteria. I said, yes, God, this is how I wanna be, always. But anyway, God, I wanna tell you, God, one more thing, please, so I can finish this issue. So everything starts with 0, 1. That's why the universe started with a binary bit. He said, yes, this binary bit, my decision as God inside my logical unit for the prior universe, after calculating its evolution, what they did. And then I calculate, come decision, reality of the binary, and it come out of me with the Big Bang. You see how much the temperature in the Big Bang, the gravity? I said, infinity, God. He said, and nothing but energy. Nothing but energy. Nothing but energy. 0, 1, carry everything. And then when start to cool down, everything start getting together. But everything started like that. And you know, you see the table with the 17 item of the quantum. You are so beautiful. You put everything the right way. What the scientific community missing? You put everything the right way. You have 17 items in the table, and you added the gravity, my gravity, because everything, all the universe you have, it is really the gravity of the universe you have. It is exactly what they discover. Okay, they discovered 12,012. This is the gravity of my universe, but the gravity of my universe, it swim in the space-time of me, God. All right, and I handle myself when I am dealing with the quantum of every life. I am dealing with this flying imagination you have in your mind. This is what I calculate. The intention, that's why it is not the business of scientific community. They will never know. They will see the electron go anywhere you can't imagine. Only when they dig in the Higgs. Anything dig in the Higgs, it become matter. Anything in the Higgs is still in my kingdom. Exactly like when you fly like that. You see the 1%, the weight of the particle when it hit, when you took the electromagnetic, the strong power, the strong nuclear power weight, you will see the 1% of proton and electron and all this, the 1% only represent the weight, the real weight. The 1% I created. It is me. But the electromagnetic force and all this is the one really, it make you have the 99%. Okay? You will find this circulated everywhere. That's why the gravity that science is looking for is really regarding the quantum, what is not swimming in Higgs field. This is my kingdom. And the travel boy, you know, exactly what's going on, you figure it out in one of the chapters. You figure it out, the entanglement. And everybody knows it, you know it. But the people, they don't get it. They don't connect it. I will make it tomorrow, God. I will make it tomorrow. See you, everybody. I love you.